Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to start where Windows and account settings meet. First, confirm you're signed into the same Microsoft account in Settings and the Store. Mismatches cause ownership errors. Once done, run Windows Update and reboot to apply patches. Many store issues clear with updated system components. Make sure date, time, and region are accurate. Certificate checks depend on them. Also glance at your payment method in Account. Microsoft. An outdated card can sometimes block ownership validation, so update it if necessary. Next, fix the store itself. You'll want to reset the Microsoft Store app from Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Microsoft Store, right arrow Advanced Options, right arrow Reset. That clears local state. Then run WS Reset. EXE to purge the store cache and try opening the store again. If problems persist, open PowerShell as administrator and re-register the store package for your user. This repairs registration mismatches that cause the "you own this app" error. After that, sign out and sign back into the store. For final steps, inspect related services. Restart Background Intelligent Transfer, Windows Update, and the Windows License Manager. These services participate in license checks. If the app is installed, uninstall it, reboot, then reinstall from the store so ownership syncs cleanly. As a last resort, create a new Windows user profile and try the store there. If ownership works in a fresh profile, the issue is local to your user data. Tip: if nothing helps, gather account email, receipt, and store logs before contacting Microsoft support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.